Good morning, children. Today we are going to study the abacus. So let's see what is an abacus. An abacus is one of the first counting devices. It is also used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Also, in the picture on your right hand side, you can see that a small girl is playing with a device which has colorful beads in it. It is an abacus. It is a calculator used by manually sliding counters along rods. Now children, let us see a two-digit number abacus. As shown in the picture, it has two rods. The first rod is for the ones place and the second rod is for the tens place. Now how are we going to represent a two-digit number on this abacus? Suppose your number is, say, 32. So we will have 1 and another bead, 2 beads in the ones place, which is for the first digit of the number 32. And in the second rod we will have 3 beads, which represents the digit in the tens place of the number 32. So this is how we are going to represent any two-digit number on the two-digit number abacus. Now let's see the characteristics of a two-digit abacus. An abacus for a two-digit number has two spikes or rods, you can say. And it is also shown in the picture on your right side. The left spike represents the tens place and the right spike represents the ones place. So in this case, in the picture, if I ask you which number is it, so for the tens place you will write 2, as there are 2 beads in the tens place, and counting the number of beads in the ones place we write 7. So the number is 27. 7 ones and 2 tens. Now children, let us learn how to read a number from an abacus. So as you can see in the picture, there is an abacus with ones and tens rod. So let us see how many beads we are going to place in the first rod. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens. And we have 1, 2, 2 ones. So our number has 4 tens and 2 ones. That means our number is 40 plus 2, which is 42. Now children, let us see another example. Let's see how many beads would come in the tens place. Okay, so there are 3 beads in the tens place and 1 bead in the ones place. So we have 3 tens or the number 30 and 1 in the ones place. So 30 plus 1, our number is 31. Now children, let us see another example. So let us see how many beads we would place in the tens place and in the ones place. Now let us count the beads in the tens place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 tens. We can also write 60. And in the ones place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 60 plus 4 is 64. Also children, you can directly also write like this, 64, instead of writing 60 plus 4. Directly you can write 64. As you have studied tens and ones, you know that this number has 6 tens and 4 ones. Now let us see another example, children. So let's find out how many beads would be there on this abacus in the tens place. And there are no beads in the ones place for this abacus. So let us count the number of beads in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 tens. That is also, you know that 7 tens you can write as 7 and 0, 70. And since there are no ones, so our number shown here is 70. Let's see another example. Let's count the number of beads that are coming in the tens spike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 beads in the tens place. Now let's count the number of beads in the ones place. 1, 2, 3. So 9 tens, that is 90, and 3 ones. 90 plus 3, our number is 93. So based on what we have studied just now, let us do a few practice questions. These can be done in a notebook or loose sheet of paper. Now children, let us see the answers to the previous slide. So in our first abacus, let us count the number of beads in the tens place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 beads in the tens place. Now let us count the number of beads in the ones place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 5 tens and 4 ones. That means our answer is 54. Now let us go to the B part. Count the number of beads in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 tens and there is no bead in the ones place. That means our answer is 80. Now children, it's our activity time. So today we are going to be making an abacus. So the steps are as follows. Make the base of the abacus from thermocol or any material that can hold 2 toothpick sticks. You can use thermocol or Play-Doh, whichever you find convenient, to place 2 toothpicks in that material. Color the toothpicks with any color of your choice. Place the toothpicks on the thermocol base as shown in the picture and label the toothpicks as tens and ones. Make different numbers by putting beads in each stick. So in the picture, as you can see, there are 2 beads in the tens place and 1 bead in the ones place. So the number is 21. You can put different beads to form different numbers, and you can take a picture and post it in the class group if you have completed the activity.